Tired of digging through Gusto's menus to add a new job title? Learn to set one up in under 60 seconds. We'll open People, go to More, then find Job Titles. From there, you'll add your role and save it in seconds. To get started, open up Gusto in your browser. Once it's open, go ahead and click on People. Now, click on More to expand the menu. Then, select Job Titles. On the Job Titles page, click Add Job Title. Type your job title into the field. Finally, click Save to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.